So in this video, we are going to learn about some of the chemical formulas for gaseous compounds and chemical formulas for metal oxides and chemical formulas for metal sulfides. So first coming to some of the gaseous compounds. CO2, CO, CO2, CO. NO2, SO2, SO3. The name of CO2 is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Now, di represents two oxygen atoms. Carbon dioxide. The chemical name of CO2 is carbon dioxide. The chemical name of CO is carbon monoxide. No, there is single oxygen, so carbon monoxide. Next, the chemical name of NO2 is nitrogen dioxide. Now, dioxide, we are using the di for two oxygen atoms. There are two oxygen atoms, so we are using the prefix di. Dioxide. SO2 chemical name is sulfur dioxide. Now one sulfur atom, two oxygen atoms. So here also we are using the prefix di. Sulfur dioxide. The chemical name of SO3 is, here one sulfur atom, three oxygen atoms are there. So sulfur, you want to write sulfur first. After that, three oxygens are there. So you want to use the prefix tri. Tri means three. Trioxide. Sulfur trioxide. So these are about some of the chemical formulas for gaseous compounds. Now all these are gases at room temperature. Next, metal oxides. So what is meant by metal oxides? Metal oxides are the compounds. Now these are the compounds formed by the combination of metal and oxygen. Metal oxides are the compounds formed by the combination of metal and oxygen. Some of the examples. So first let us take some metals here. Magnesium is a metal. Calcium is a metal. Magnesium, calcium. Zinc is a metal. Iron is a metal, lead is a metal, copper is a metal, mercury is a metal. So all these are metals. Okay, first we took some examples for metals. Then when these metals are combined with oxygen, it indicates when magnesium burnt in the air, what happens? When magnesium burnt in the air, it reacts with oxygen present in the air. So magnesium reacts with oxygen and we will get magnesium oxide. So magnesium is a metal. See, oxygen, oxide, metal oxide. This is an example for metal oxide. When a metal reacts with oxygen, we will get the metal oxides. Okay, next. Here Zn. When zinc combines with oxygen, zinc oxide is formed. When lead combines with oxygen, lead oxide is formed. When mercury combines with oxygen, we will get mercuric oxide. So in a similar way, calcium burnt in oxygen, we will get calcium oxide. Iron with oxygen, we will get ferric oxide. Copper plus oxygen, copper oxide. Okay. So metal oxides are the compounds formed by the combination of metal and oxygen. These are some of the examples of metal oxides. So let us see about metal sulfides. So metal sulfides are also compounds formed by the combination of metal and sulfur. When a metal combines with sulfur, the resultant compound is known as metal sulfide. Some of the examples, the same examples here we are taking. For metals, magnesium, calcium, zinc is a metal, iron is a metal, lead, copper and mercury. So all these are metals. When all these metals burnt in the air, it indicates, so they are reacting with oxygen present in the air, then we will get metallic oxides. Now metal sulfides. If they react with sulfur, when Mg reacts with sulfur, we will get magnesium sulfide. When zinc reacts with sulfur, we will get zinc sulfide. When lead reacts with sulfur, we will get lead sulfide. Mercury plus sulfur, mercuric sulfide. Calcium plus sulfur, calcium sulfide. Iron plus sulfur, ferric sulfide or iron sulfide. Copper plus sulfur, copper sulfide. These are the examples for metal sulfides. Okay. So here we have learned some of the examples for metal sulfides, some of the examples for metal oxides, and some of the examples for gaseous compounds, their names and some chemical formulas. Okay, thank you.